Okay, let's see how to solder a fitting up close. So we've got our pieces here. Both the piece of pipe and the fittings have been cleaned thoroughly inside with a wire brush, as we showed you earlier. All we need to do now is put some flux inside the fitting and then on the pipe. And you can see here I've marked the pipe for the orientation of the fitting, this little line here. And then also I've put another line here just to show you how the pipe needs to seat properly into the fitting. You can see this shoulder here. The pipe needs to insert all the way to that shoulder. So let's apply flux first. Completely coat the inside of the fitting. Completely coat the outside of the pipe. And then insert the fitting. And you can see it seats all the way down to that pen line that I indicated earlier. And then also I'm going to be careful to orient the rotation of this fitting according to this line here that I've added. Now all that's left is just to solder the joint. So I'll grab my torch, heat the fitting, and again I'm waiting just to see that flux start to boil, and it will also turn a little black. You can see that starting to happen now. It's not quite hot enough yet. Okay, there it goes. Now see, I'm just barely touching the solder to the joint and it's getting pulled in. I just touch it at a few places and that's it. On the bottom of the fitting I can actually see a little bit of drop of solder. That means there's plenty on there. That's it. All I got to do now is just quench the fitting. Notice how I'm not turning anything. I'm not turning the fitting or putting any force on it. Stopped steaming and I just wipe it off. We've got a good joint.